This is by Andrew Heaney, and Andrew lives here in Matlock. That's Harry Ron and the Blind Car.
What's that, Rob?
Andrew Heaney.
This one?
A lot of hard work goes into these models, a lot of thought, and they not only have to appear every Saturday and Sunday night, but they have to try and make sure that the model's just as good on the last night as it was on the first night. But next, here on the river, we've got Smoky Joe, Showman's traction engine, getting up steam for you now, and this is by David Harrison, and David comes from Ashbourne. Transformer. This is by Rory Harrison, our youngest boat builder, and Rory lives in Ashbourne. And our final model out on the river this year is Magpie, a car from the film Speed Racer by Paul Henshaw.
Yeah, that's completely lost Jeff Streven. As he did SpongeBob and SquarePants. Yeah.
Galleon, and this is by the members of the Matlock St. John's Ambulance. The second prize went to the Heroes of the Sea, that's the lifeboat by Michael Moore. Third prize went to the Fireman Sam and Jupiter Knights assorted out. So there you have the complete lineup of the 2008 parade of illuminated and decorated boats, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. A sight which is quite unique to this little town of Matlock, and was all started all those years ago, 111 years ago, and continues now in 2008. Not a big crowd here tonight like there was last night, but please do give them. I would like to thank you particularly, and if you'd like to take home with you tonight a picture or a compilation picture of the wall, picture of their, if your favourite model, if you want to, they're on sale at the stall at the bottom of the Durham Gardens Drive. And if you like firework displays, then we've got some of those during the season. There'll be aerial firework displays here on Saturday the 27th of September and Saturdays the 11th and 25th of October. Full details of all the events and entertainment here